Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Bank Nifty Only. So I hope everyone had a good Diwali and other uh, festivals as well, like Bhai Dooj and all those things. So again, I wish a great Diwali and good wishes to you and your family members. Hope you stay fit and fine for the rest of the year and the rest of your life. Okay, so now let us move on and see the analysis for tomorrow. Before that, I had posted one post regarding Bank Nifty Fib retracement, okay, for weekly expiry. So you can see that in my analysis, I had clearly mentioned that Bank Nifty has exactly retraced 50%. You can see from this particular diagram, this is the 50%. You can see over here 0.5 is the 50%. Now for the further bullish rally or movement, it should take support of this particular level which I have marked 0.35, that is 3960 in round figures, and we do see support at this level, but we also see a strong resistance at 40,000. So also I had mentioned that there is a support at this particular level, but there is a strong resistance at 40,000 levels. Okay, or if we look at the fib levels, it's 40,100 level. So I had clearly mentioned, moreover, I feel that market is going to go sideways in the first half. This is more important, and then move in one direction. Okay, and then it can move in other one direction. So most probably, if we consider this as a uh, downside or downfall, then market can move downwards, or if it breaks this level 40,000, then it was supposed to move upward. So let us see what happened the other day. Okay, so this is the candle for Muhurut trading. Forget about this, but exactly market behaving the same. It again facing the resistance of 50 percentage or 0.5 level, you can see, and it gave a downfall. Okay, so for those who don't know, or looking at my videos for the first time, or don't know to operate the fib retracement, you can get this thing, fib retracement, from this particular toolbar. If you click on this, the first option is fib retracement, or you can press the shortcut key Alt F. So what you need to do, this is a day time frame. Click first, when you select that tool, click at the top and drag to the bottom till low. Okay, then you would get this marking. So I have removed other markings. I have kept from 0 to 0.75. So this is why I get only few levels, otherwise it shows many other levels as well. So same thing, let us see how market behaved in 15 minutes time frame chart, uh, whether it goes sideways and moved into another direction or not. So this is 15 minutes analysis I had posted, and also I had posted this thing. If you remember that, just look at the levels that I have marked. Stronger resistance at 40,000, another strong resistance at 40,100. It is clearly stating that market reversed from this particular level at this point as well, and there were more chances of this support trend line to be broken. Okay, so let us see how market behaved. So market gave a small gap of opening. Okay, it faced the resistance of this particular level, 40,100 levels, and it went to the sideways. It went on to the sideways in the first half. You can see, just look at the timing at the bottom. It's almost around 11:15. So at 12 or 11:30, it gave a breakdown of this particular level 40,000, and we saw a good downfall. Okay, and after a good downfall, we even saw a small recovery, and again market uh, reached to the same level where it had reached when it broke this 40,000 level. Okay, so this is how we need to do analysis using different tools and techniques. Uh, See, every day you won't be uh, able to learn new things. What I mean to say is that uh, alternate days, or on some days, there would be learning in my videos, and you need to keep note of these scenarios. Okay, what I'm telling you, or how market is behaving. In the same manner, as I always say in the past, that market repeats its pattern. In the same manner, pattern, or we can call it as a scenario, the same scenarios repeat again and again, and then you get a chance to trade on those scenarios, right? So I hope you might have got the learnings of this trend support trend line breakdown, okay, and the fib retracement as well. So now let us move on to the intraday levels and analysis for the 8th November, that is on Monday. Okay, so the levels drawn are strong resistance at 39,000, strong support, sorry, stronger support at 39,000, strong support at 39,500, and stronger resistance at 40,000 level. In between you can see I have marked strong resistance zone. So the resistance zone, if you look at my previous article posted, you can clearly identify that resistance zone was between 40,100 to 40,400. Now the resistance zone has shifted down, so the stronger resistance zone is between 39,700 to 800. It does not mean that there is no resistance. The resistance above 40,000 is still present, but between this, where the market has closed, the writers have created a strong resistance, or we can see that more positions are open. Okay, more calls have been sold at this particular level to keep the market down. So this we can identify from the option chain. You need to look at the column of the OI data, and if you look at these two particular levels, you see a good number present in the OI data. Okay, so and we see a strong support at this particular level, that is 39,400 to 500. So as usual, we will see how to take the trade based on market opening. Okay, first we would see if market opens flat. If market opens flat between those two particular zones, then there is more possibility of market going sideways in first half, at least I'm thinking, or at least do not trade in this particular zone between 39,500 to 700. It's a 200 point difference. Do not trade into this particular zone. So when it come down to this particular level 39,500, and if it shows a positive candle, that is a green candle, bullish candle, or any bullish movement candle, then you can enter into a trade. You can get a move of 200 points. But second scenario, if market opens gap up, okay, then again we can face the similar scenario what we saw on the more trading day, that market can open gap up and it would face the resistance of the strong resistance zone, and market can come down. So rather than going for buy, your strategy should be sell on rise. Okay, and also consider that if uh, overnight any good condition market opens gap up are above this particular level 39,800, then to do not enter into the trade for buy side. Wait for at least 15 minutes candle to close, and based on the next candle's opening you take the trade. So third scenario would be, what if market opens gap down? So if it opens gap down above this level 39,500, a small gap down, then we can see market can bounce back from this particular level. If it gap downs below this level 39,400, then there is a more possibility that market can come down to this particular level 39,000 level. It is, I'm not saying it would immediately come down, but there are more chances, because when a strong support or a resistance is broken, okay, in this case our, when a strong support is broken, it would act as a resistance. Okay, so considering or keep this thing in mind and trade based on whatever points I have specified. So I hope you like my analysis. Please hit the like button and share it with your friends as well, and comment, mention your thoughts or anything into the comment section. Also, whatever knowledge you have, try to share it with me as well, and uh, your friends as well. Thank you.